Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. So, today we are going to learn another grammar topic, that is degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison, this topic you have also learned when you were in lower classes. Now, we are going to learn a little bit in detail. Now, earlier, as I said, that this topic you have already learned in primary level and also secondary level. That time we had only learned about which are the three types of degrees. Now in English grammar, we have three degrees. Three types of degrees are there. First one is the positive degree, second the comparative degree, and the third one is the superlative degree. So as you can see here with the examples given here, so there are three degrees in English grammar. First one is positive. We take an adjective, that is great. A second adjective I have taken, easy. And the third adjective that I have taken is beautiful. So let us understand first what is comparative, positive and superlative degree. Now the positive degree, great, becomes greater in comparative form, and then when we go on to the last degree, that is a superlative degree, it becomes greatest. So as you can see that the actual word we add er for comparative form and est we add in superlative form. Now these types of adjectives where we can add er and est are known as regular adjectives. Okay. Now going to the last one. Now the rule for the spelling you are already aware, because that also you have learned in lower classes. For example, here the second example of the word given here, easy, ends with y. So we remove the and we replace it with IER and IEST. So these are the spelling rules that you have learned in lower classes. So likewise, the next one, that is the example of beautiful. Now beautiful is also an adjective, but it is known as a irregular adjective because we cannot apply ER or EST with beautiful. So it is known as irregular adjective. So here we don't add ER and EST at the last, but we add more before the adjective. That is more beautiful for comparative form, and for the superlative form, most beautiful. So wherever you come across irregular adjectives, always remember that you have to add more in comparative form and most in the superlative form. So now I think you are aware about what is regular adjective and irregular adjectives. Okay, so this is the general thing that you had already learned in lower classes. Now how to differentiate between different types of degrees of comparison. Now in this table, this side, as you can see, I have prepared a mind chart. It is a mind chart that you can remember this particular topic very easily, because this will help you out to solve any of the problems that are given in the exams. So here the table is the degree table when two things are compared, positive, comparative and superlative. Now we will only deal with this first one, the first table here when two things are compared. Now when two things are compared, for example, Mahesh is as tall as Suresh. So here how many people are compared? Two boys are compared. So now if I want to turn into a comparative degree, then I will just focus on this particular table. Which one? The first one. I will not focus here because I am dealing only with two people, two things, two objects, two person or anything which is compared. For example, these two chalks, the green one and the pink one. So now here, which chalk do you think that is taller? Green is taller than the pink one. So likewise, when two things are compared, then you will focus on this particular table. Here superlative degree is not possible. Remember that when two things are compared, there is no existence of the third one. So we cannot compare that. Superlative degree cannot be possible in this particular table. So remember that when two things are compared, only we can turn positive to comparative and comparative to positive. Okay, now the second one, that is group 1. I have termed as group 1 and group 2 because in this also there is a differentiations there between these two groups. So this one you have learned now. When two things are compared, then you have to use this table only. Only focus on this table. Okay, this one, the one which is marked with pink one. When we deal with group 1, then we will focus only on this table. Now here superlative is possible in this group. Even in group 2 also superlative is possible. Okay. So now you will deal with group 1. Always remember positive degree starts with no other. And comparative form, remember always the word there will be there. Also remember any other, this word which I have underlined for you. And the superlative degree will always have the article the before the adjective. Main ways. Second one, in group 2, there is a differentiation between group 1 and group 2. The group 2 will always start with very few. The beginning will be with very few in positive degree and as tall as. Comparative form, taller than. Remember, in the group 1 it was any, here it will be most or many. And the last one, that is superlative degree, it will have one of the tallest. So this group is different from this group. In the next session, I will, with the help of examples, I will solve this one, that is the difference between two objects, then group 1 and group 2. With examples, I am going to show you. So today only you do one thing, you revise this table. Okay, you revise this table and just put it in your mind, this whole table. It will help you to solve any difficult problems that comes across in the examination. So I hope you have understood this topic till now. In the next session, I will with examples I am going to show you how you are going to solve the one which is compared with two things are compared, then group 1 and group 2. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.